What's up, YouTube? So today, I'm gonna try fitting these bad boys on. I know tires the wrong direction. Gotta move some stuff. And then I'm going to install these upper control arms. Do my best to get it all done today. I should be able to, don't see why not. But I have to get this thing rolling so I can go to the fab shop in the next week or so. So that's exciting. I'm gonna go to Sheffield Welding, that's where I work. Chris, who's Grim Bros Designs, he works there as well. He's the one that got me the job, helped me get the job. So we need to get there. We gotta start cutting out the rest of that false firewall. We gotta do a bunch of work. So I think I mentioned in one of the earlier videos, new door bars, new bash bar, and then we're gonna do aluminum ducting in the rear, cut out this X. Save a couple pounds, redesign a bit of this rear rad stuff, and have the aluminum come so the rad gets a full duct from up there all the way down. Right now it's not cooling enough, and we're also switching the lines from 1-inch OD to 1-inch ID. We made the mistake of putting 1-inch OD aluminum, and Chris had switched it up as well on his car and noticed that he overheated. Not overheated, but would heat up, and then you let it sit for 2 minutes and it'd be fine. Then you go thrash on it again. So he said he never had any issues with 1-inch ID tubing. So we're gonna switch to that. All rubber this time, no aluminum. We're just gonna zip tie it underneath or make mounts and strap it there. If I break something at a track, you know, aluminum is really hard to repair. If I carry a chunk of hose and some fittings, then I can quickly repair it at the track and be on the way and compete again. So we also got to cut the hood out. We got so much work to do, and so such a little time. Sean is hopefully working on the engine soon here. He's just been backed up. The block shop's been super busy, so just been waiting on that as well. And then we're gonna, see how it works out. I'm excited for that motor. Should be very healthy this year. Probably more horsepower than I anticipated, but that's fine. We're gonna aim for about 600 to the wheels on pump gas. So, and no high octane stuff, just pump gas. I don't need I need to be able to fill up at the pump in BC and stuff like that, and it gets costly with other stuff. I don't make a lot of money, so cutting down the cost or any pump gas and making it safe and efficient is the best way possible. Anyways, I'm gonna get to work here and change out these wheels quick. Unfortunately, there was an issue with shipping or with my order. So I ordered 12 by 1.25 and these are 12 by 1.5. So I got to contact Kansei and get that exchanged. But you get the idea. These boys are hella thick. I could even take the spacer off and it would sit like flush with the fender. That's crazy. They look good though. Look at them. Oh, this car's gonna look so good this year. I'm so stoked. Well, I'm gonna do a few things and then I'm gonna get to pulling that apart and I'll start filming again right away. There we are. Freshly installed. Now to do the other side. I'll see y'all when it's done. So we have both sides installed now. There she be. These arms are really good quality. I like them. Fully adjustable. It's really nice. I can adjust my camber finally up front. So to run the proper camber for the FDF kit, they call for 5.5 negative degrees of camber in the front, so to not cause rollover and all that stuff, and achieve everything you want for grip up front. So that's it for today. I'll also show you, I was kind of got sidetracked and started using the heat gun. Getting it ready, you know, Pollard leaving his mark on my door, so. But yeah, I'm going to continue taking the wrap off and then pull the parts out from underneath it, start cleaning, put it on the ground. It's going to Chris this week, like I said earlier, so got to get it ready and get it on the ground. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Do what you do. Take care.